Would you agree that we Pinoys really loves rice? And honestly, a meal isn't complete without it. What's up mga Lodi? Kaya naman for today's video, I'm excited to share with you another kain serye kung saan pinalevel up ang sarap ng kanin. At dito yan sa may Chow to Go na located sa may Nepoquad, Angeles City, katabi lang ng Windjammer Burger at malapit din sa may Toto Bits. Open sila from 3 PM to 2 AM kaya naman perfect ito for afternoon and late night cravings. Chow to Go offers rice meals that brings our favorite kanin to a whole new level. Seriously, I couldn't wait to try everything, so kasama ng aking mga friends in order namin halos lahat ng kanilang mga rice meals. So let's begin it with their affordable beef chow fan. For only 99 pesos, perfectly seasoned na ito with ground beef, chopped veggies, and egg. Best partner for this is their jumbo steamed dumplings. Just add 49 pesos and you're set. Next, they have the crispy pork tenders that is bigger in size, super crispy outside, but tender inside. At sa laki nito, di ka talaga mabibitin. Pero if you're more of a chicken fan, try their chicken tenders. Golden brown to perfection with a light peppery kick. 6 sa flavor, perfect for those who want something classic but super satisfying. Meanwhile, if you're looking for something savory with a bit of a kick, check out their pork Korean chili. Sweet and spicy Korean flavors in both pork toppings and the rice. Kung mahilig ka sa K-food, this one is a must try. Meron nga rin sila nitong unique chicken curry, and in fairness, not just the chicken but even the rice is infused with aromatic Arabic flavors. Ito yung classic Pinoy fried rice na may Arabic twist. And lastly, don't miss out for their Chaojin rice. This is their local take on the Chunjin rice. Served with a fluffy egg omelette and savory beef toppings, this one's definitely a crowd favorite. So kung hanap mo yung rice meal na hindi lang basta busog kundi masarap, flavorful at sulit sa bawat kagat, baka this is your sign to stop, eat, and enjoy at Chow to Go. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like, share, and follow for more.